If you want to log out of X, formerly known as Twitter, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it in just a few seconds. Whether you're switching accounts, signing out on a shared device, or just want to make sure your account is secure, the process is simple once you know where to look. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Now let's walk through it. First, open X on your phone or in your browser, and make sure you're signed into the account you want to log out of. On the left side menu, or sometimes inside the main navigation depending on your device, scroll all the way down to the very bottom of the menu. At the bottom, you'll see your profile name and profile icon. This is the area you need to click. Go ahead and click on your profile name and icon. Once you do that, a pop-up menu will appear with account options. In that menu, look for the option that says Logout, followed by your username. Tap or click Logout and make sure you're selecting the correct account if you're using more than one profile. After that, X will ask you to confirm the action. Simply click Logout again to finish signing out. That's it. You are now logged out of X or Twitter on that device. If you ever need to sign back in later, just enter your username, email or phone number and your password, and you'll be back in quickly. Logging out is a great habit if you share devices or want to keep your account more secure. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.